Since ancient times, coastal people have relied on boats for trade, food, and conquest. But in modern times, technology has rendered a small boat's work obsolete, and few people are versed in boat handling. But visit the shoreline on a sunny day when boats and their captains and crews set out to sea, and you'll see rowboats and the art of rowing. While we can't know for sure, it is possible that humankind's first boat was a floating log, which then may have evolved into a dugout canoe. Cultures without logs used other materials. The Britons fashioned the coracle, a large basket covered with skins. The Inuit of the Arctic stretched skins over a bone frame to make the kayak. Indigenous North Americans stitched birch bark over frames to build canoes, and the Egyptian ambach and faum were built with bundles of lashed reeds. All these primitive boats were propelled by push poles and paddles. But it was the seafaring Phoenicians of 1000 BC who are credited with replacing the paddle with the oar in the invention of the bireme, a long warship with a double-tiered line of oarsmen. To maximize manpower, slaves pulled oars in close quarters, synchronized to the beat of a drum. Rowing demonstrates the application of a simple machine, the lever. The rower provides the effort, the oarlock serves as a fulcrum, and the oar blade in the water creates the load. Thus the boat is pulled across the water's surface. Once this basic principle is mastered, the rowboat operator is free to explore rivers and seas. People row boats for pleasure or for sport, or to accomplish great feats. Well, in 1966, Che Blythe with Captain John Ridgway rowed across the North Atlantic in a 20-foot open dory in 92 days. Observing rules of water safety, rowing is enjoyable for all ages, but please remember, children must wear life preservers. No life preserver, no boating. And please, if you anchor for a picnic or a nap, stow your oars safely on board. Otherwise, you may lose an oar overboard. Attaching oar leathers with a collar, called a button, can prevent the loss of an oar. You are now ready to join the ancients in the art of rowing and enjoying the sea. Bon voyage.